Hi, I'm Brett. I'm here to take you through the HILO². We've created the HILO² using feedback from thousands of customers to make the ideal convertible high chair. What makes the HILO² unique grows with your child from approximately 4 months up to 6 years. First, as a high chair, approximately 4 months to 3 years, then converts to a play chair or a junior chair approximately 3 years to 6 years. What's so nice about the junior chair is it allows for your child to sit and eat at the height of dinner table with you and your family. The HILO² comes with everything you need to get started. Large, removable and dishwashable safe food tray, easy to wipe and clean surfaces, safe and sturdy design, 5-point safety harness with shoulder adjusters that sit tightly on your child's shoulders, non-slip feet with stable leg base made of solid beechwood. Positioned at the table height, allowing you again to enjoy mealtime with your child. Adjustable footrest providing comfort support as your child grows, and in a modern design in a range of colorways. We have a range of complementary accessories to the HILO². A seat liner, removable and machine washable. A seat cover with a newborn insert, which supports smaller children. It's removable and machine washable. A silicone tray, again removable and dishwasher safe, making cleaning really easy. And a mess cover, when your child really gets messy, covers the whole seat and cushion and removable to wash after mealtime. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day trials, free easy return and local customer support.